guys, from Iacopelli. Like you saw on this little clip right here behind here, today I'm going to do the judges for the 10 most really professional pizza chefs from all over Italy. Of course, I'm going to judge from how they make the pizza, how clean they are, how they cook it, and the most importantly, the look and the taste, if it's soft and crunchy in the same time. So my job with another two professional pizza chefs was to judge the taste and the look. In the other side of the other room, we have another judges, professional pizza chefs also, and she was judging how clean they are, how they make it, and how they cook it. One thing really important that you need to know, that every pizza chefs out of these 10 here, all of them, they have their own pizza dough that they made at house, so their own style, which we are going to learn also what kind of style they make. They have to make a margherita and a special pizza. We're going to judge both of them, but I'm going to explain you the special one only. And one thing really important, guys, I'm really surprised of the rewards that they are going to have for this competition. If I knew it, I would be competitor, not the judge. I mean, watch until the end and see what they won. So let's go ahead and enjoy this video, guys, and smash that like and comment below which one was your first place, second place, and third place. And now let's go ahead and let's start with the first competitor. Number 1, Rocco. Welcome. And here we go, guys. The competitor number 1 is using the dough with biga. Like you can see, he stretched by pressing the dough and then take off the flour. Voila, already he starts to put this pumpkin cream with buffalo mozzarella, cut like thick because he's cooking in an electric oven, and then he's putting roasted mushroom. Then, look at this, he brings the peel under the pizza and then he fixes it. So he made the pizza and then one shot, boom. The pizza is ready, like you can see, it's crunchy, and then he adds this almond roasted. Like you can see, the other judge is judging the time, because also is judging the time. And then chili flakes. Voila! Of course, guys, it's really good, because this is the first pizza. We're super hungry, but we have to be calm. We have 10 more competitors, so let's taste this one, the special one. I don't like mushroom, so I put the sausage on. I made my score for now, so I'm using the pencil because we have 9 more competitors, so we have to judge after. I'm gonna confirm it.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight.
Here we go, competitor number 2. Like you can see, I can tell you that this guy have the passion for pizza by how he's touching, how he's looking the pizza. Like you can see, he's just pressing and then he goes by his style, like just stretching. Now I can tell the pizza is big. He doesn't want to say the dough, probably use the bigger also. He's putting the yellow tomatoes, cream, and then he puts some Parmesan cheese, rapini, boil already rapini, which is really good combination. He brings the pizza on with the peel. Then boom, in the oven, one shot. He gives a double cook, guys, in this case, because it's an electric oven, then he adds the mozzarella. And voila. Outside the pizza, he's adding the pata negra prosciutto.
Head down, push forward through the tough time.
What we're looking for here is the crust. You see? Yeah. This pizza is made really crunchy, a little less soft, which I like it. So now it's time to taste. Let's go ahead and let's see number 3. Competitor number 3 have the dough with 20 hours of fermentation, 40% of biga. Like you can stretch half Neapolitan style, half his way. Then he puts some like a mix of cheeses. And then he puts the peel under, and then he fixes it and make a large, like kind of a mix of Neapolitan style. You have a little bit of Neapolitan style on this pizza. Then, boom, one shot in the oven. He gives only one cook, like you can see. Once it's cooked, he's adding the blue cheese and then some homemade tomato sauce, and then with chips of grana cheese.
I've been running right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane, making pleasure out of pain, turning losses into...
So this is more Neapolitan style, because the guy was very Neapolitan, you can see. Soft and crunchy. I'm gonna taste the margherita now. Let's taste the special one. I'm gonna try to get all the ingredients. Let's get number 4. Okay, here we go. Competitor number 4. Really nice presentation. He using a type 1 flour, really hard. You can tell that this is 55% of hydration, and then he puts the pizza dough in the fridge for 3 days. He adds this fresh mozzarella, roasted mushroom, and then some chips of bacon. Then again, he brings the peel under the pizza, boom, in the oven. He cooks a little bit more than usual. And then he puts this cream of cheese and then pesto of rape. And then presentation to the judges. He did a really good presentation. Let's go number 5. Competitor number 5. Okay, like you can see, really good dough. It's nice and fermented. He's using 45% of biga and 70% of hydration. But he's also stretching this way, same as usual. Then he takes off the flour, he makes the pizza big, he uses gravity from the table, boom, 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 voila. He puts basil under, fresh mozzarella, roasted mushroom, then he puts wild cardoons, and then same thing. He's also having the judge helping him, putting the pizza under, and then he fixes the pizza, makes it a little bit bigger because also the size matters, really important. Voila, goes in the oven, like you can see. Let's see if it gets one shot, boom, yeah, a little bit, it's not one shot. Then he cooks the pizza, takes it out, really good. Like you can see, this pizza looks good to me. And then he had some fried bread. Voila, presentation to the judge. Good pizza dough. And now we taste. So this one is probably the most beautiful pizza for now. Really Neapolitan style, my level. It's soft and crunchy. So let's go ahead and let's taste. This is Neapolitan style, so you need to flip it over. The taste is a little bland. It doesn't taste really the best. The dough is really good. Let's go ahead. Let's get to number 6. Competitor number 6. Very interesting pizza dough. Take a look. This guy's using 30% of biga, 10% of Polish, which doesn't make sense, and 70% of hydration. You can tell that that's 70%. He's having a little bit of trouble with stretching. Voila. Yellow tomato cream, fresh mozzarella, rapini, boil, and then he puts the peel under the pizza. And then, let me see if it goes one shot. Oh, one shot, yeah, good shot. Voila, the pizza is ready, good looking crust. But guys, it doesn't make any sense to put biga and Polish. Voila, he's adding the cream of peppers and eggplant cream. And then he adds this roasted almonds, and then flowers, and then fried zucchini. I have to say, good looking pizza. Looks really nice. Let's go at number 7. At the end, we're going to see who is the winner. And you can comment below which one you think is the best. So go ahead and comment below. here we go, competitor number 7. This guy is using, he told us that he's using pre-fermented. Now, we don't know which pre-fermented he's using. Then he adds 55% of hydration. Same thing here, guys. Cream of roasted pumpkin, and then bacon, fresh mozzarella, and now goes in the oven. Let's see how he does this. One shot. Really good kid. This guy is really young. Like you can see, it looks good. Then fresh basil outside, it gives a little check. Boom, voila. Voila, now we taste. This one tastes really good. Let's swap it up and see number 8. Okay, here we go. Like you can see, this guy is super precise. Even the judge is surprising. He's using a mix of flours with 70% of hydration, but I believe he said there is biga also. Base of yellow tomato, fresh mozzarella cut very thick, and then boom, he goes with the peel under. He's having a little bit of trouble because the dough is hydrated, and then he fixes it on the peel. Then go ahead and boom, one shot in the oven. He cooks the pizza. Voila, like you can see, it's nice and puffy, really good. He puts this sheep ricotta cream, fresh mushroom, not cooked, and then part-baked pumpkin. He's very nervous. This guy is very nervous. And then voila. Those pizzas, they look really good. Let's go ahead, number 9. Competitor number 9, like you can see, the dough is super soft. This guy is using the dough from the day before, which is good. He said that he did 82% of hydration, but I have to say that this is not 82% of hydration. Voila, he puts this yellow tomato cream, then buffalo mozzarella, roasted tomato, sun-dried tomato, olives, and then let's see, yeah, this is definitely not 80%. Now he puts the peel under the pizza. Like you can see, this is probably, I have to say, maybe 70% of hydration. Then let's go ahead in the oven. Let's see how it goes in the oven. And boom, one shot. Yeah, that was good. Now let's wait. He keeps checking, which is good. Voila. He had this salty cod, and then presentation to the judges. Here is super light, I can tell. This guy made different. He used the old dough in the new. Let's go ahead and see the last one. Last competitors, guys, number 10. Whoa, this guy is super professional, I have to say. Probably this guy have 25 years of experience. He's using 70% of biga and mixed with type 1. Take a look, guys. He just put the water on the pizza. That's it. He's gonna go ahead and part-bake the pizza. So two of these people did really good. They cook it twice, which is good when you have an electric oven. Voila! Like you can see, the water made the dough nice and soft. He puts rapini cream and then boiled octopus. So these red balls are basically cheese, mix of cheese, and then he covers up with the skin of the tomato. Very interesting. And then to finish, a fried zucchini. He's using a homemade mayonnaise with water from the octopus. Wow, this pizza, the last pizza, looks insane. Can't wait to taste, and I can't wait to see your comment below. What do you think? Take a look of this slice of pizza. I think it's the most beautiful one right now. We saw margherita is all right. We're gonna taste this pizza. We're gonna try to taste all pieces together. Wow. So now, wait and see who got this number 1, number 2, and number 3. Let's go. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this one because it's really good. So now we're gonna sit down with the judges here, and let's define everything and let's see who is the winner, because these guys, first, second, and third, they win really, really amazing gift. Look right here, where is it? Look, we got number 1, number 2, number 3. And they won this is number 1, the traveling for 2 person in the Sharm el Sheikh, consulting for 2 hours here, and the insurance for the restaurant. Then second place, the cruise for 2 people, a real promotional from some local influencer. Number 3, rent of a car for going to 1 night and a breakfast in some resort. Then a food experience with a Michelin star chef. Okay, now let's go ahead and let's go with the judges and let's see what the other things. Here we go, guys, the competition is over. Now this is just a party and we are about to announce the number 3 is the last pizza. He won the number 3, which is, he really deserved it. Here we go, number 2. I'm super excited for the gift, for the rewards of this guy. He really deserved number 2. Guys, this pizza was insane. Congratulations. And here we go, hey, number 1. Number 1 is the number 1 competitor, which is the dough made with 100% biga. This doesn't mean that he won because he used the biga. He was a really good pizza chef. Congratulations to all of them. And guys, make sure enjoy this party and judge for you the first, second, and third place. I'll see you at the next one. Thank you so much.